As much as our team would love to read, review, give feedback to all of our students on their essays, it's just not feasible and admittedly can be challenging. I'm Genesis Torti, and I'm the academic coordinator for the TRIO Talent Search and Gear Up programs at Lowell High School. Our programs assist students and families with limited financial backgrounds who want to be the first in their family to go to college. We have been working with Write the World in various capacities for nearly 10 years, most recently incorporating their college essay review service into our 12th grade curriculum. Incorporating the College Essay Review Service program into our curriculum has been tremendously impactful to our students and to us as advisors. Our student caseloads are pretty large. Each advisor serves about 250 students, and we work intensively with them throughout the entire college application process. With such large cohorts, it can be challenging at times to provide students with intense, individualized support regarding their college essays, especially since many of our students are writing more than one. We encourage all of our students to take advantage of any and all opportunities available to them. This includes applying to 2- and 4-year colleges and to some competitive scholarships such as Posse, Questbridge, or Gates. With the help of Write the World's College Essay Review team, many of our students have been accepted into their dream universities, including Boston University, Northeastern, Mount Holyoke, Tufts. Most recently, one of our seniors was accepted to Colby College on a full ride through the Questbridge Scholarship, and he credits Write the World's essay review team for helping him write such a polished essay. As much as our team would love to read, review, give feedback to all of our students on their essays, it's just not feasible and admittedly can be challenging. It's hard to not insert our own voices into a student's writing, or just the simple bias of we already know these students and their story. How can I provide feedback when I feel like I already know so much? We're already providing so many resources to our students with the knowledge base that we as advisors have, including college admissions and financial aid, that it's really comforting to know that we have this partnership with Write the World and that we can leave it to their expertise to assist our students with such an important part of their application. Usually our program advisors are seeing student essays in their rawest form in a state that needs the most attention to detail. And it's helpful to know that we have Write the World in our back pocket to make our jobs easier and for students to feel like they're in good hands. Their advisors are trained, knowledgeable, and clearly passionate about the work that they do. It's so nice that when our students submit an essay review, they're not just getting an edited essay. Students are walking away with confidence and pride. Students are proud of the work that they've done and how much they've improved, and that is truly just everything to us. For a student to not feel confident in their writing and then to leave with an essay that they can't wait to share with people, that's impactful. As soon as a student receives a college essay review, they're running into our office and we're going through it line by line with them. The detail is impeccable. The timing too. The turnaround's supposed to be 48 hours, but students are receiving them oftentimes sooner. It's incredible that the work that they're doing, and I just feel so lucky that we get to have such a partnership with a great organization. Each year, we listen to our students rave about the support they receive from their Write the World advisors, and each year they insist that we continue providing Write the World as a resource for the students coming up behind them. It truly goes without saying, we love working with Write the World, and we will continue working with Write the World so long as they'll have us. Imagining a curriculum in which we are not working with them is just, I don't know what world that is.